Welcome back, guys. I'm here with RPGSHOW once more. The packaging is the same. Okay. So let's see what we got today. There's the wig inside, which I'm so excited to get into, but give me a minute. Also got this branded RPGSHOW elastic band. I got this wig cap, a pair of wig caps, the RPGSHOW magazine. It says celebrating Black entrepreneurship, boss women in charge, period. Then I got a flyaway tamer, as well as one more of these RPGSHOW bags. You can use this to store your wig in after you're finished with wearing and cleansing it. This is the wig for the day. I am so excited. This is a gorgeous highlighted 16 inches 13 by 6 Swiss lace, a transparent Swiss lace front glueless wig. You guys know that RPGSHOW is great for all your glueless wig needs, and I absolutely love that. For the most part, it's mostly the mid portion that has the 13 by 6 lace space. On the sides, it gets a little well, it's less with the depth. And this is how the inside of the cap looks. It has a total of 3 combs, and there's also adjustable straps in the back. All right, there are 2 elastic bands here. It's even branded RPGSHOW, and you can adjust this to be tighter or looser. All right, it is already bleached. The knots, that is, they're already bleached and tinted, so you know it's customized perfectly for you. You guys know, once I show you, I bring you an RPGSHOW wig. It's fully customized for you, well, for the most part. And as I say, it's glueless. So this is how the wig looks. It's 60 inches long. I love the way they colored this. Love. It's not your average, you know, highlighted kind of vibe. They were very strategic with how they colored, with how they placed the highlights on this wig. And I love it. Very full. Feels very good. It's on the coarser side because, of course, you know it's processed, but it feels very thick as well. So I love that. It's also very full, and I am pleased. So this is how it's looking in terms of, you know, the hairline. It's already pre-plucked, so that's always another plus. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into just quickly applying this because it's perfect for all my beginners and all my people who don't have a lot of time to install a wig or even have that much experience. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly install this. And you have a lot of security inside the cap to really keep the wig secure. So you want to ensure that you just use the combs to stick them in so that the wig stays secure in your head. Number 1 tip. You know, remember, this is a glueless install and it is a glueless wig. I didn't remember to tell you guys, but this is 200% in density. As I said, I feel like it's very full for sure. I love the fact that it comes styled. Did you guys realize that? It comes styled already. The only thing I'm gonna do is just, you know, reshape the curl here in the front, but it looks so good. I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks really good. I don't think I really need to go in and reshape it. All I need to do right now is pretty much cut away the excess lace, and I usually make sure that I apply just a little bit of my spray to let the sides, you know, lay right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, you guys see that I cut away the excess lace right across. So all I'm gonna do is take my lace bond spray, and all I do is spray this portion here. It's not glue or anything. still glueless, and this is the only part that I kind of spray down so it can stay in place. Guys, now I'm done with applying the adhesive on the sides, and ooh, this looks so good. This looks so good, you guys. Straight out of the box, all I had to do was just spray a little spray on the ear portion and I'm good to go. Like, that is absolutely no adhesive on the rest of the lace, like, and you don't need glue. You don't need glue for this installation. All I'm gonna do is just get the top a little bit flatter with my hot comb and we're gonna be done. Like, I don't have to recurl anything because I'm not gonna recurl anything. Like, this is it. It is perfection and very minimal shedding, by the way. Just so you guys know, the way they style this, it has the perfect like flip over vibe going on in the front with the bang. Out of 10. Like, what? It's giving classy woman. It's giving special occasion. Yeah, the only thing I did with this was apply a little bit of lace spray and it's still very much glueless. Like, the lace is very undetectable. I tell you, like, they have the perfect transparent Swiss lace wigs. Like, RPGSHOW know exactly what they're doing, and it definitely gives luxury in every aspect. As I tell you, there is definitely shedding, but it's more on the minimal end, so please note that it is processed, so the texture of the hair is on the coarser side, but it feels very strong. And I know for a fact, because for a very long time I've had one of RPGSHOW wigs as a go-to wig and I loved it. It held up. It held every single time I would install it. It was just perfection. It was just beautiful. So I cannot complain, and I 10 out of 10 highly recommend this wig to you guys if you're looking for something with a little bit of oomph. If you want a little bit of, you know, I feel like these highlights really add that flair, but you want it to be classy. Perfect wig. It's not too long. It's only 16 inches. I feel like it's very manageable. The wig is very lightweight. Top tier. Top tier. So shout out to RPGSHOW wigs for another bomb look. I am just so pleased. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. So if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Any discount codes, any deals, any sale, that will also be down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.